How we doing, guys? So Qtech P019. We're just going to be looking at how you can get the ball cage to come out, because it is a bit of a nightmare if you've got a stuck ball and you've got to take the suction pipe off and you want to take it off to do a proper clean. It is a bit of a nightmare to try and take out. So I'm going to show you a simple but caveman style way of getting it out. So this is how we do it. So I've taken the suction pipe off and there is the ball cage. And in there is a ball, but it is stuck and I can't get the plastic cage out. It doesn't just pop out. So this is how I'm doing it. I've got myself a bit of wire and I've bent it to make a hook to lip around the metal, not the plastic. Caveman style smack. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to smack this on my piece of timber because it's not going to damage it. What that's going to do is it's going to just unblock and just release that metal washer that's surrounding the plastic cap. So I've just given it a little soak, and what I need to do is get that washer to come further forward so that I can get it out, because you can't get it out as it stands. What I'm going to do is just bang it at an angle, because if that plastic cage comes flat, I'm going to smash it. One more bash for luck. So there. You see how it's brought it forward, and I'm going to stop now because that plastic will smash if I smash it again. So my handy little hook. And then what I'm going to do is just get that in there. There. And then again, all I'm doing is, you see that little gap? So don't grab the plastic, you'll smash it. Just bang it on a piece of wood, watch your thumbs. Top and bottom, edge it out, and there we go. So look how caped up that is. And there's the cage. Oop. And there's the ball. So the ball sits in there, goes that way, that goes on top. But it was, once paint's been in there, it just welds itself together. So look how dirty it is in there. And that's the bottom. That's the cage. And there's the ball. So we'll give it a clean up and we'll pop it back together. So all I've got here is I've just poured some acetone in a really tiny bit, and I'm just rotating with a little earbud just to clean it. And then I've got some acetone in there, which I'm just going to plonk that in there, the ball in, and the cage, and just quickly clean it. It should really dissolve it quickly. There we go. Should have gloves on, but it's only quickly, and just to show you. And then all I've done is I've just popped them in a little bucket with some Qtech or Graco pump armour, just to give her a little rinse. So look how much rubbish came off there. Pretty clean now. So what I'm going to do is drop the ball in, pop the cage over it, and then pop that metal part over. And it's just literally slotted straight down straight away. And then we're just going to connect it back up to the machine. So that's it, nice and clean. And if we want to get it out, it just slides out. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully my caveman style tactics are going to get you out of some sticky situations when you're trying to release the ball and cage. So smash the like button, hit subscribe. Any questions, pop them down below. See you in the next one.
How you afraid to drop a dime when you already dropped a dime? Got a wife at home, but you steady on my line. Talking about shorty, you remember when I grind slow? Did I really blow your mind though? Nah, you got me confused with your other booze. I've been peep game, so I never gave a cookie up. And that's why I got your wife on the line, man. And I hope she